Milkshake in the video.
What's going on, guys? It's Dr. Hobbs, and before I get started with the video, you already know the biggest giveaway on YouTube. Click the link on top of my bio. You're gonna win a bunch of things, and let's get this video going. Alright guys, back to the video. So as you can see, we have a lot of chocolate on this table. We're gonna try to do the most chocolatey drink you've ever seen. And we have a lot of Christmas stuff, like this guy and these guys. The most Christmassy, that's not Christmas,
It's gonna be the most wonderful time
of the year.
Your voice is so ugly. Oh my god, my ears are bleeding from my butt.
Alright, so we're gonna do the most chocolatey Christmas drink. It's all Christmas chocolate we got.
Whoa, there's an earthquake!
No, don't start. Don't start. Don't start. Do not start. If you guys know, the main ingredient of the milkshake is ice cream. Good thing we got ice cream. We have some milk, soy chocolate milk. Because this is gonna die. Huh? Yo.
Did you just get that?
Yeah, just got that. I have Nesquik, some Nutella, and a bunch of chocolate, like Christmas chocolate, like these guys. As I showed you, this Santa. Why are you sucking from it, bro?
Let's start.
Okay, do you know what we start with? Do we start with the milk?
You always start with the ice cream. Yeah.
Alright.
Are we making it enough for the entire family or just you?
Just you and me.
Just me and you?
Yeah, we're gonna try it from this.
Whoa, this is a big spoon.
It is.
Let me see if I can fill my mouth. Holy shit, can you fit it in your mouth?
I'm not trying.
You don't mind if I use it for the ice cream now, do you?
Not really.
Okay.
Yo!
You don't need all that. Is that too much?
Bro, yes, it's
Oh, I
way too
think
much.
that's a little bit too much, huh?
It's everywhere now.
I think that's enough. Okay, that's enough.
Next ingredient, I'm gonna put some
Oh,
Nesquik.
wow, don't hold back.
Oh! Yo. Alright, now let's put some Christmas stuff. Those Santas. They were drinking from this.
Do you think I have a disease?
Why'd you spit in it, bro?
I didn't spit in it. Do I have a disease? Let me know. You can be honest with them. So then you know. What's the disease?
Stupidness.
Comment down below what the word you just said, please.
Chocolate Santas. Okay, break that Christmas Santa in there. Bro.
Okay, I'll break it.
You're breaking them with the
You told me to
pieces.
break it.
Smarties. My best chocolate of all time is the
Very
Smarties.
overrated.
I
Very
love
overrated.
Smarties. How many pieces should we put?
All of it, the whole box. Okay, you think I make a mess?
Yo, my dog's gonna
Yeah,
die. My dog's gonna die.
I'm putting the North Pole snowman inside.
Yo.
We don't need to break it. The blender will break it. Bye. You lived a great life. Oh shit.
Alright, now these small.
They're called Oro bars.
Let's break it in half. Look at how smooth it is.
Kobe. Say there, watch this. For LeBron.
I swear, if Blaze, anything happened to my dog, I'm gonna.
Where's the other one? There's two right beside his food. Holy.
Let's put a bit of milk.
Let's put a Mars bar. Mars bar are really good. Oh my god, this looks delicious, bro. This might be too much chocolate.
It's the most chocolatey drink. Alright, now
Oh, we still have a Santa.
let me blend it a little bit as I put some stuff. Look at this, guys.
Look at that. You guys can go right in there.
Alright, I'm gonna blend it a little bit, make sure that nothing's gonna get stuck in between.
Are you starting off with a high speed? What are you starting
I'm gonna click on smoothie.
Smoothie?
It actually smells amazing. Smell it, smell it, smell it.
It's missing a little bit of coffee.
No.
Just a little.
Bro, no coffee. Santa Claus, it's time to go inside our milkshake. So that's good. Okay,
Oh, these.
those at the very end, we're gonna top it with it. Ooh. Okay, put it in there, put it in there.
Peanut butter.
Oh, Santa's big. Alright, other than Santa, what
Snickers bar. Oh, we'll put you in it. You grouchy.
This says grouchy?
Yeah.
What is this guy? Milk chocolate. Another Santa milk chocolate.
Bro, this is the amount of calories in this.
Look at this chocolate.
Holy shit.
Ew. The Reese's Pieces.
If you're on a diet, you don't do this.
I don't care. Just eat chocolate. Love the chocolate. Don't care about what people say. Okay, a little bit more of Nesquik.
Ooh.
More milk. If my dog is eating one piece of Smarties, I'm gonna call you tonight and you owe me a new dog.
It's starting to smell a little funky. Shit.
Let's blend it again.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
You did it so good. It doesn't even smell like chocolate anymore.
It sounds like too much chocolate. Okay, should we just put this on top and just eat it?
Yeah. Earthquake!
Alright, Santa's gonna come right and sit in here.
Oh.
No, you're not gonna try it like that.
How do
No.
you try it? You gotta pour it in a cup.
Put Santa in there. Hold this whole thing. No, yeah. What? Yo, don't spit anything, don't spit anything.
Wow.
Actually?
Yeah, try that.
You have a mustache, come here. Naughty! Alright. It looks really good. Let me add some of those. Merry Christmas, guys. How many days left till Christmas?
15.
15 days left till Christmas. Let's see that chocolatey. Wow.
That's good, eh? It's really rich.
Too sugary.
It's chocolatey. Very chocolately. it's
My heart about to stop. Right?
yeah.
My veins are turning to chocolate.
It's too
veins,
thick.
like-
It's way too thick.
Would you say it's a success though?
It is. If you have a sweet tooth. If your whole mouth is filled with sweet teeth.
Oh, I actually need water right now. He has no idea what we just did. It's the most chocolatey drink milkshake you've ever seen. All right, let's see what he thinks. A big sip.
It's too sweet.
Oh, too sweet? You don't like it?
No.
Why'd you rate this?
7.
7? Not bad. All right, I thought he was gonna say amazing, but not really.
like
Okay.
chocolate.
Too much chocolate. That's the point.
Thumbs up the video right now.
I'll kill you.
Up. You want thumbs up?
Do not put the
Okay, let me see if you have a good reaction. Oh, nice!
I would have killed you. Are you
That's
dumb?
a good reaction.
That was
But how good is the second time?
that was the most chocolatey. Like you can have chocolate in one milkshake. Have you ever had more chocolate in a
No,
milkshake?
but are you gonna drink the rest of that?
Yes, I'm gonna drink the rest of that. I'm gonna put it in a cup, and then my mom can try it, and my other brother. Okay, why do you have the ball again? Why do you have the ball again?
Because it's Christmas. It's the season of giving. They want to give back to you, but they're not going to just give you a thumbs up just like this, you know? Like, don't thumbs up the video.
What?
We have to do something for them to thumbs it up. So this ball needs to go in here.
It doesn't need
Yes,
to go.
it does. Guys sitting at home, do you agree this perfectly clean tennis ball needs to be chocolate and naughty? It needs to be naughty. It wants to be naughty. So, if I put this in, you guys have to thumbs up this video right now the second the ball hits the chocolate, okay? There's no turning back now.
Oh!
Stop the video. It's in there. It's in there. Oh!
Ew, it has hair. It's
Ew. Wait, you still have to drink the milkshake, by the way. You can't waste food.
I can't, I know. Well, thank you so much for watching. Let me know next what smoothie should we do. I will see you in the next video. Take it easy. Have peace. Look at that. That's what you do, bro.